So guys, welcome back to my channel Whiz. In this video we will talk about mastering financial literacy, basic for beginners. Reaching your financial goal includes a lot of steps, and two most important one is getting financial literacy basics. We talk a lot about personal finance interactions, but don't snooze on them. Even if you don't make more money, it's the top priority. You need to make a good financial decision. If you want to get your dream car, buy an apartment, or simply have more money in your saving account. It's all comes down to financial literacy and how well you handle your money. We can share some good news with you. Your financial education does not have to cost a penny. There are great free online resources that will help you on your journey to achieve financial literacy skills. What are financial literacy basics? It can be a confusing term simply, but financial literacy basics includes your ability to manage money and theories behind it. Also, it overlaps with your financial knowledge and everything related to achieving financial stability. So, if you have a credit score, any student loan debit, a monthly income, or bank account, financial literacy basics should be your top priority or for a better quality of life. Here are some topics to learn about and develop your financial literacy skills. Prepare your spending and planning sheets. Your financial knowledge should start with a lot of list of your monthly expenses, any income sources, and there your money comes and goes. Think about it like owning a pet. It's a part of your life, and you have to maintain good condition so that your furry friend can thrive. Starting with assessing your personal finance plans be a great stepping stone. Write down any financial plan you have and you will get a good look at your financial health. If you spend more money than you earn, it will reflect your plans. A checking account is a great for everyday expenses and managing your pumpkin spice late addiction. You transfer some money into this account and having a limit on how much you can spend each month. Notably, any major purchase should not be covered by this account. On the other hand, a saving account is literally for saving money. It has interest rates so that your money does not lose value over time. If you need more financial literacy about this topic, research your bank option for highly yield saving account. Build your credit score for financial literacy basis. Every financial education course will tell you this. Building a good credit score is key to your financial goal. Your credit history is important in every aspect of personal finance and financial goals. From car payment to mortgages, bank evaluate credit score and decide to lend your money. That's why you need to cover your credit card debit up. Your credit history will show that you have credit card debit, but it's not too late to get out of it. Repay repay it as soon you can as part of your financial literacy basis and watch your credit history make a turn of the better. How do credit scores work? It is loaded question, but credit scores are basically a numerical value of your financial health. You can have a credit card to spend money on various purchases, but be careful and don't be overdraft. It's one of the best financial decisions if you manage to take into account mindful spending. Any money you overdraft lowers your credit score, and financial institution view you as risky. Your bank account will not fully reflect your credit score because financial institution can look into your history and will not lend you